Happy New Year 2026! Today is a new beginning, not just a new date. This year, I choose peace over drama. I am removing fake people, negative energy, and double faces from my life. I'm done explaining myself to people who never understood me. In 2026, I change myself, my mindset, my habits, my standards. I will work harder, think smarter, and stay consistent. I will win this year. I will succeed this year.
Sasabi ko lang, tumalon na ako.
Paano ba yan? Pasok na ulit bukas! Let's go!
Pasok na ulit, mamaya.
Ito, pasok mamaya.
Kaloy, kayo lang.
Araw-araw naman eh.
Araw-araw sipag lang.
Ang tigil eh.
Kami wala kaming pasok.